How to trade on Bitget app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bitget, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade on Bitget mobile app. Now, since this video is for beginners, I'll just be focusing on the basics. Once you open up the Bitget app, you can navigate to the trade section. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find home, markets, trade, futures and assets option. Simply tap on trade option and head over to trade. Now here, select your desired trading pair. Choose whether you want to place a market or limit order. Input the amount you want to buy or sell and then click buy or sell depending on your trade direction. Now you can see a tutorial. You can simply go through the features guide. So you can see, tap here to select a trading pair. Then available funds, tap here to make inbound transfers. You can see buy sell option, enter the buy or sell price and quantity to preset. Then check your orders and positions right there. Tap here for viewing more features and you can see, tap here to learn more about trading. Here, in order to trade, you can simply see the option. You can choose the trading pair right here and then go ahead and set your trading. Now you can choose order type, input the other details, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, and if using a limit order, set your desired price. Then you can place the order, click buy to buy or sell to sell the cryptocurrency right here on the screen. Now there are some important points to remember. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Bitget account to execute your trade. Leverage. If trading futures, select your desired leverage level carefully and make sure to check your open orders in the orders tab to track their status. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.